Hi everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Presidium Valley View, and I'm just looking really quickly at the parking situation at the Presidium. So let's talk about that right now. There are some spots that are in front of the apartment buildings, and so you can see them. There are a few that are available at any time, and those are of course free. But also you're gonna have access into this parking garage. So the parking garage, this is an entry and exit parking garage. You've got a gate here. Let's walk in and kind of see what this is like. It's a really cool gate. You're gonna have great access, and this is a fast close and fast open gate. It's my favorite kind of gate. So basically, you're gonna be parking. You're gonna have this is gonna be recognizing something that's on your car, and then it's gonna roll up and then roll down super quickly. You'll see it right now actually working. So that's how fast it works. It works great. It goes through there, rolls up, and then what I love about it, it's the gate structure is it's a roll down super quick as well. So works really well. I'm looking into the garage. It's super private in there. It looks really clean. It looks like there's a lot of spaces, and I also see some charging stations in there too. So that's how the gate works there, and this is your parking situation. You will have a free access into that garage at the Presidium. Hey, now we're about to go step into the lobby and start to see some of the amenities of the building. I can't wait for you to see that.